2022 Mazda 2. Mazda announced not long ago that the future Mazda 2 will be sold under the original equipment manufacturer Toyota Yaris. The imaginary picture of the 2022 Mazda 2 was exposed. The shape is based on Toyota Yaris, but thanks to the unique design of Mazda, the new generation of Mazda 2 looks better than Yaris. A lot handsome. According to a new report from Autocar, the Japanese automaker will launch a rebadged and slightly modified version of the new Euro-spec Toyota Yaris. The report is about the Mazda 2 for Europe and is based on a recent Mazda financial results presentation. From the imaginary design by foreign media, the 2022 Mazda 2 adopts the current foreign version of the Yaris hybrid body design, but in the front face part, the designer imported the Mazda Koto design style, and matched it with sharp LED headlights. The whole looks very cool and fashionable. The rear part of the car seems to retain the Yaris hybrid design. There is no reason why foreign media will design this way. Not long ago, Mazda announced that its Mazda 2 will be sold under the original equipment manufacturer supplied model based on Yaris hybrid. The purpose is to meet European emission standards in the future, and this model may also replace Mazda 2 status. It also means that it may be the new generation of Mazda 2, taking the Yaris hybrid as a reference. This new car is expected to have a 116 maximum horsepower. The fuel consumption under the WLTP test value is 3.7 liter per 100 km, and the CO2 emission is 86 grams per kilometer, which directly meets the latest European emission standards. It is imperative for the future Mazda 2 to become the Toyota Yaris hybrid. The future Mazda 2 is really the same as the Toyota Yaris. What do you think of 2022 Mazda 2? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.